all you got to do is factor out something out of the 16. It says what expression is equivalent. So they're basically wanting you to factor. So 16 and 36 both go into 4. So you can take a 4 out of there, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So you have 4x squared left inside. And then 36 divided by 4 is 9. So it's going to be negative 9. Now, whenever you have 4x squared minus 9, whenever you have something like that, it's basically going to be a 2x and a 2x, because 2x times 2x equals 4x squared. You know that, right? And then right here, you need 9. So it's going to be 3 times 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. However, a negative 3 times negative 3 gives you positive 9. So you have to make one of them positive and one of them negative. And when you FOIL this out, these two will be positive 6, and these two will be negative 6, which will leave you with 0x, which is why there's no bx value in this problem, and which means the answer is going to be number 2. That's how you solve the first problem on the 2017 Regents. As the reserves began to dwindle, people began withdrawing their money. As the reserves began to dwindle, people began withdrawing their money. But the banks didn't have enough money to pay everyone. As the reserves began to dwindle, people began withdrawing their money, but the banks didn't have enough money in their reserves to pay everyone what they were asking for. These mass withdrawals of their bank accounts was known as a run on the bank because everyone came to the bank to get their stuff. And President Roosevelt had to start. And President Roosevelt had to start. And President Roosevelt had to start. And President Roosevelt had to declare a bank holiday in order to fix the problem. But this was just the beginning of the greatest depression America has ever seen.